Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a map animation in After Effects like this using Saber plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First create new composition. I'll make it full HD and frame rate 60, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to File and import your map. I'll choose Friends Map. Press S and increase it like this. You can Google it. Map PNG. Okay. Yeah. And now I'll pre-compose it. I'll call it Friends Map like this, and make sure that you are on Move All Attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Now I need to add a mask, so I'll go to Layer, Auto Trace, and Current Frame, Alpha, and apply to new layer, then hit OK. Yeah. And this is our mask. Now I don't need this, so I'll delete it and open Auto Trace, masks. I need this mask, just this one. Let me color it to see. Yeah, this one. So I'll remove all these masks. Click, Shift, click, and delete. Click, Shift, click, and delete. Okay, this is our mask. Now I'll go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Saber. Okay, customize curve, set Saber to layer masks, and here we go. Now I'll go to glow intensity. I'll change it to 20. Yeah. Also glow BS, I'll change it to 7. It will be good. And core size, I think 3. It will be good. Yeah. Okay. Now all I need to do, I want to animate this. So make sure that you are on the first frame. Okay, go to end offset, set 100 to 0, keyframe, and go to 10 seconds forward. Okay, 10 seconds forward like this, and I'll change it to 50. Okay, let me make it quarter to see. Okay, this is the first animation. Now I'll Control D to copy. Okay, make end offset 100 and remove keyframe. Go to start offset and make it 100. Okay, go to first frame, keyframe, and go to 2 seconds forward, and I'll change it to 50. Okay, and set normal to add to see. Yeah, and now see. Okay, very good. Okay, now I'll go to project. Let me name it map. Okay, this one, map. Control D to copy, map 2, double click and I'll close this one and I'll go to this layer and I'll change end offset to 1 and I'll remove end keyframe. Okay, now I'll go to now I'll go to glow intensity. I'll change it to 50. Also spread, I'll change it to 0.7, and this one, and I also course size I'll change it to 6, maybe it will be good. Yeah, okay, go to first frame and keyframe in on mask evolution, go to 2 seconds forward and change 0 to 180 and see. Let me make it quarter to see. This is our animation. Okay, again I'll go to project and go to map 2, Ctrl D to copy, then double click to open it. Okay, now I'll close this one and I'll open this layer, go to effect and start offset, change it to 1. Also remove start offset keyframe, then okay, and also go to end offset, change it to 0. Okay, and this is our point. Now I'll go to glow intensity also and I'll change it to 50, spread to 7, 0.7, and size here 6, like this one. Okay, now I'll go to first frame, keyframe mask evolution, 2 seconds forward and go here and minus 180. Okay, and see. Yeah, this is very good. Now I'll go to map here, go to project, and I'll take map 2 and 3, drag and drop, and I'll change normal here to add, again add, and see. Okay, I want to add more glow in these points, so I'll go to map 2 and I'll go to Windows here to open effects and presets and type radial fast blur, drag and drop, and increase amount, see, increase amount to 90, it will be good. Yeah, now we can copy here, Ctrl C, and go to map 3 and Ctrl V, and see. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now I'll go to map 2, center here, alt and click and type wiggle, Okay, and type 5,700 to animate this point. Okay, also I'll go to map 3, keyframe, sorry, alt and click, wiggle, and 5,700 and see. Yeah, very good. Now I'll add, go to layer and I'll add text, France. Okay, I'll go here, control, I want to put this point into the middle, so I'll go here and control and double click and see. Now I'll press S and I'll increase it like this. Okay, we put it into the middle and go to layer, auto trace, and click, and I'll remove this text. Then I'll go to effect, video copilot, and saver. Okay, make it set normal to add, and also I'll go to customize core and change it to layer mask and see. Let me decrease intensity like this. Okay, yeah, and also you can change this color if you want, and let me move this layer like this, and I'll go to start offset. Okay, quarter, start offset, and increase it to 100, and